In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your project tool with Slack and email so you can stay organized and ensure everything's in one place. If you've been searching for a way to streamline your workflow by connecting these tools, you're in the right spot. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to link your project tool with Slack and email for real-time updates. And I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial to try out the software we're using, but more on that later. First, let's start with the basics. Most project management tools offer integrations with Slack and email, but the process can be tricky if you don't know where to start. Let's focus on syncing a project management tool with Slack and email so that any updates in your project tool will instantly be communicated through Slack and your email inbox. The first step is to open your project management tool and head to the integration section in your settings. You'll usually find a dedicated section for Slack and email integrations here. For Slack, all you need to do is find the option to connect with Slack, and you'll likely be asked to log in and authorize the connection. Once done, select the channels or groups in Slack where you want notifications to appear, and you're good to go. For email, the setup is similar. In the integration section, look for the email notification options. This will allow you to set up alerts for important updates, like new tasks or status changes. Be sure to configure what type of emails you want to receive, so you don't get overwhelmed with notifications. You can usually choose to receive daily or weekly summaries or instant notifications for major updates. Now that your project tool is connected to Slack and email, you'll start receiving real-time updates directly in Slack channels or via email notifications. This helps you stay in the loop without constantly checking your project tool. For example, you can get notified every time a task is completed or when there's a deadline approaching. Here's a pro tip. You can often customize how these notifications appear in Slack. Some project tools allow you to set up custom message formats, which can help you distinguish between different types of updates at a glance. Use this to keep your workflow as organized as possible. And if you're looking for a seamless experience, I recommend checking out the software we're using for this integration. I've tested many options, and this one stood out for its simplicity and power. In fact, if you want to follow along with the exact software I've shown you today, there's a link in the description for an exclusive free trial just for my viewers, so don't forget to grab it if you want to give it a try yourself. Before I wrap up, let's quickly go over the main points. First, we connected our project tool to Slack by authorizing the integration and choosing the Slack channels for notifications. Then we set up email alerts for key project updates, and we discussed customizing these notifications to keep things organized. Finally, remember, by using this software, you can easily sync your project tool with Slack and email for a more streamlined and efficient workflow. And don't forget, if you want to give this software a try, the exclusive free trial link is in the description below. Key takeaway: syncing your project tool with Slack and email is all about setting up the right integrations, customizing your notifications, and staying on top of your projects without the hassle of constantly checking multiple tools. Now you have everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.